this presentation, we are going to talk about human physiology. Human physiology explains the characteristics and specific mechanisms of the human body that make a living. The fact of staying alive is the result of control systems. It offers a rigorous study of humans across the molecular, cellular systems, organisms, and behavioral levels.
Hi, I'm Mimi Jacoy. I'm the course director for Introductory Human Physiology. And I just want to have a few words about what our course is about and what physiology is about. Physiology in general is an integrative science that deals with complex living organisms, from cells and molecules to organs and organ systems level. The physiologist is going to ask two questions. One is, how does the organ and the organ system work? And secondly, what's the advantage that this organ system provides to the body? As you go through our course, what you will find is that you will learn all the terms and concepts that deal with specific organ systems, but that importantly, you're going to develop a working model. And this working model is going to allow you to understand how these organ systems coordinate to maintain life in a constantly changing environment. The model allows you to relate structure to function, to interpret physiologic data such as blood pressures and blood gases, and also it's going to allow you to predict the changes of the body to specific perturbations.
Human physiology is necessary in medicine as from normal functioning organs and systems can understand different pathologies. The study of human physiology will help students to become physicians, surgeons, physical therapists, physician assistants, dentists, optometrists, or similar professionals. Physiology contributes only positive things with medicine because we know the correct body functions. Most aspects of human physiology are closely homologous to corresponding aspects of animal physiology, and animal experimentation has provided much of the foundation of physiological knowledge. Anatomy and physiology are closely related fields of study. Anatomy, the study of form, and physiology, the study of function, are intrinsically related and are studied in tandem as part of a medical curriculum.
Human Anatomy and Physiology course. Do you want to learn anatomy and physiology quickly and easily? Here's your chance to skip the struggle and master human anatomy and physiology in short time. Get the edge, learn everything you need to know about anatomy and physiology, and ace any test with the ultimate home study course. It will tell you everything you'll ever need to know about human anatomy, physiology, and drug therapy, complete with diagrams, courses, lesson plans, quizzes, and solutions. It'll provide an effective and painless way to learn or review anatomy and physiology, from the chemical level through the entire organism. Take a fascinating journey inside the mysterious hidden wonders of the body via pages of structural information and beautifully detailed anatomical images to find answers to questions. All structures and musculature are modeled and labeled, including nerves, deep and superficial muscles, blood supply, skeletal structures, and unique features for each individual body parts. Each topic is linked via references with test quizzes, and this provides the best way to learn and understand human anatomy and the body. You could easily learn over 15 years of human anatomy and physiology knowledge.
Your friend's wearing a red shirt and blue pants. Well, how does your brain even know to interpret that red and blue is what's going on? Hi, I'm Janice Brunetti, and I'm here to talk to you about how the eye sees color. Well, like many parts of the human body, the eye is pretty complicated and it has a lot of parts. And all those parts work together to help it do its job. So let's take a look at our human eye here. We've got the cornea, which is that sort of bulging part of your eye. That's where the light first enters. And there's also a pupil. That's the black part of the eye that opens and closes and determines how much light actually comes in. You've also got the lens. And then the lens and the cornea work together to help light get to the retina. And this is where everything really starts to happen. The retina actually has a couple of different types of cells on it. Some are called rods and some are called cones. And it's the job of the cones to help you see color. So that light coming in, that's got different wavelengths depending on the color that it is, gets focused on the back of the eye. Well, Still, how is the body, actually the brain, recognizing that there's color going on here at all? Well, those images have to actually travel from the optic nerve to your brain. It's actually the brain's job to interpret that's red, that's blue, and to send those messages back to you so you recognize that color. So as you can see, it's a pretty involved process, all of which is necessary for you to recognize blue as red and purple. I'm Jasmine, and this is how the eye sees color.